everyone welcome to Costa Rica.
Yo, you tough with.
What's up, bro? I just met these dudes a couple months ago, bro. I don't even know them. So if anything happens to me, these guys did it, right?
As before him and others.
I'm over here looking for clients. You asking me about a fucking restaurant? I like to read, bro. Reading makes you smart. This dumbass dude don't like to read. No wonder he's dumb.
He got a point, though. He got a point.
I was just playing about eating, though.
Oh, shit, bro.
I didn't mean that, bro. Una bolsita, porfa. That's cool, bro. I got some eggs for like when we wake up in the morning. Touch it.
For sure, for sure.
Most hoes, and Trojans. Most people don't fucking hit the lotto, but my folks did.
I'm grateful and lucky we are.
What's going on, y'all? Little MTV Chris.
Yo, what's up, what's up? Hey, yo, welcome to the crib, nigga.
See nothing.
Oh, they just locked that shit up.
He done locked us out.
Wait, no, did I?
Now we gotta.
Hey, jump, bro, jump. Go get that man.
Come on. Come on. Whoa.
Alright, y'all, day 2 in Costa Rica. So, let's show you the little view we got.
Woo!
Where we at?
Costa Rica, baby. Yeah, we do it big.
Man, shut your ass up, bro. Goofy boy. Yeah, we out here about to hike. Hang along.
Come on, bro.
Oh,
No, you can see mountains.
You want to see like lemurs or some shit?
That's a.
But you get to see me.
That's not a lemur, bro.
The fucking.
That's not a lemur.
What is this?
Bro,
Is not a lemur?
bro.
That's what King Julian is.
It's a fosky, bro.
That's what King Julian is, bro.
That's a fox.
Bro, that's a monkey. What are you talking about?
That's a lemur, bro.
That's not a monkey. It's a fox.
Oh, you want to see those or you want to see monkeys?
How you read books, but you don't know what that is?
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, you're right. Stupid ass nigga. I don't know. That's a fucking lemur, bro. Bro, look, there's spiders. There's spiders. We in the jungle, nigga. Hey, ain't nobody believe in me, nigga. You ain't gonna make it here. Yeah, though. Okay. Okay. Cool. We'll go this way now. Oh yeah, there's people over there. Thank you so much. Thank you, we will.
Gracias.
Hola.
I said, aquí es muy bonita. Like, I'm sorry. You don't know Spanish. Good, bro.
What is it, Kiwi?
Here is very pretty.
Here and here.
Aquí es muy bonita.
Allá es muy bonito.
Is the hike good over there?
What?
Is the hike good over there?
Yeah, slippery.
Yo, speak
Yeah.
Okay.
Speak Spanish, my boy.
With the jaguars, okay?
Oh.
What's up? How y'all doing?
Yo, Nick. This was so. No.
Yeah, bro.
I know you're not taking a picture. So it's raining, it's mad foggy. You're supposed to see a big volcano right here. But since it's raining, you can't see nothing. But hear me out. Just because the weather is miserable does not mean we gotta be miserable. Woo! Dropping bars, eh? But yeah. Yeah, so better go down there and up there.
Woo! Man, my Oh shit. He's fucked up.
Yo.
Hey, what's up? How y'all doing?
It's real beautiful. You can see the lake down there. Mad rainy, mad foggy.
Hey, how's it going? Welcome back. You know, we've been busy having fun with some guys, with the homies. And this is my cameraman. And he's a dumbass. Yay!
Yo, what? You said it's a sausage fest?
Look at that nigga smoke right now.
Both of them are bitches.
That shit not even recorded, bro.
Nah, I'm talking about the guys in the back. And the guys in the back. Yeah. Perdón. Hey, bro, what if, like, the world ends and then, like, this is the only video proof of, like, human existence? What? Y'all don't think like that, bro? Am I weird for that, bro? Alright, what's on your mind, bro?
You got some new chanclas? Put that to chanclas.
Bro, you really don't have anything on your mind?
Put that to chanclas, though.
That makes total sense, bro. But it's just like,
Let's go.
But my mind's like constantly.
Chanclas, though?
Huh? But nobody wants to see them nasty ass feet, bro.
Come on, bro. That shit crazy. There you go. Look at my chanclas. Alright, put it back up there. You got some ice cream, bro. Buddy's on a little curfew. You can't have no fucking sweets past 9 p.m. Like a little baby.
Hey, bro, I like taking care of myself, and they clowning me for that shit, man.
Anyways, so tomorrow we gotta wake up bright and early. We got a trip to Tamarindo's. Sometimes I wake up and I can't find it.
What?
Bro, they don't know no clue what you're talking about, bro.
If you get the reference,
Bro, you
bro,
forgot
get
the
it.
reference, bro.
I forgot the reference.
You didn't say Michael Beasley.
Sometimes I work at Michael Beasley.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Bro, you just fucked it all up, bro. You gotta be like, sometimes I'm Michael Beasley. Sometimes I wake up Michael Beasley.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Sometimes I can't find them, bro.
Sometimes I wake up and I'm Michael Beasley. Sometimes I wake up and I can't find him.
Cut that out, bro.
Cut it out. I'm fucking with it. What's up, bro?
What's your car?
Hey, let's hit the road. Let's get this motion on the road. Hey, get that nigga. He's gonna be like. Hey, record that nigga peeing, bro. Hey, they got a truck right here, looking. Hey, you done?
Tamarindo's calling us, bro.
Tamarindo. Tamarindo could wait, bro. We got views like this.
So y'all, we in Tamarindo. We're gonna go hit the beach, get some bikes, maybe try to surf a little bit and see. You know what I'm saying? Where the adventure takes us, so come on.
Yes, sir. We just got the motorbikes. Gotta have a good time. Let's get it. Safety first, baby. Yeah. This guy looks like a dumbass. Hey, we out here, bro. We in Flamingo, and we just got our bikes. It's his first time riding. He's doing pretty good, low key, bro. Like super low key. Yeah, we in Costa today. Really just having a good time, man. Yeah. Hey. Hey, you think they thought they were Costa Rica? Why are you telling us all that? Hey, we speak English too. You have Chinese people in Costa Rica? Group leader said we out.
Yeah, we out, bro.
Yeah, we out. We out.
We out. We out.
No, actually, we out.
No.
We out. Matter of fact, we just playing out, but let's go. Let's go.
Actually, I'm gonna sit down.
To the next game, with a different mindset, practice, ready to go, it's work.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Iceberg now, Tamarendo, as you would say. $42, keep it company.
Hey, don't get that on camera. Hey,
Don't got
camera.
Bro,
You know what they say?
Seems like a good night to call it a night. Why am I throwing up gang signs? I'm 23, bro. I didn't say that. What if he just busted his ass, bro? Well, you funny, bro. I am. Bro's so drunk, bro. He just had 3 cervezas. He can't even walk no more. Like, what do I want? Que quiero.
Que quiero. Que quiero.
if you go down there, you'll be good. Yo.
I told him, bro.
Yo. Damn, bro, really trying to push it though. It's all good, fella. It's just adversity, really. At the end of the day, you can do whatever you want, really. You see that?
We're employed to come out. Paradise on Earth.
Mmm. Yo, bro.
Ok, entonces tengo que firmar
Para montar, sí.
¿Y qué pasa?
Le pones escuela
Ajá.
y ya.
Do a Nick sandwich.
Yo. Come on,
Oh, you got
bro.
that on camera, bro? I need my passport.
We gonna get your passport back, bro.
I need that shit back.
Damn. Look at these bills, though.
Bro, I feel like, hey,
All blue.
Hey, were you one of those
Buffalo
kids?
Bills.
I'm talking to my nigga, bro. Get the fuck out of my face, nigga. Oh, that's funny, bro. Yeah, that's funny, though. That's funny, bro. Hey, were you one of those kids that had, like, last day of school, they just shoved all those, like, the papers in their bag?
Yeah, damn near.
Like, every time you had a backpack, it was just nothing but papers and, like, loose shit?
No, that was not me, bro. I was pretty studious.
Hey, bro, were you one of those kids that, like, shoved, like, any paper in their backpack? I was one of those kids, bro. Like, I found all this
Really?
shit in my pocket. I'm having, like, a serious reflective moment here.
Alright, y'all.
We just found.
Hey, watch out. Oh, no, no. No.
We just found a fishing rod, bro. No, I'm just kidding. Someone gave us a fishing rod. Yeah, so we're gonna see if we can find some bait. Catch something with.
Yeah, but everybody's got a hand. Everybody, all the hands are busy.
Where's your left hand?
But you're gonna lose the weight and then we're gonna be fucked because there's shit ton of waves, bro. Hey, what up, bro? We just caught some, you know what I'm saying? I think any smaller, I'd have to throw it back in. We're gonna cook it, bro. Bro, that'll be a good video, bro.
Yo.
Small ass fish.
Get it filleted up. We're gonna cut you up and eat you, buddy.